Hello everyone, this is Tara and today I am back again with one very special unboxing. So this is my birthday unboxing, you guys. Today is 15th of August where I'm gonna unbox this, and tomorrow is my birthday, which is 16th of August. So tonight there's a party at my place, a big one for my friends and relatives. And so I thought before using this bag, let me do the unboxing with my beautiful YouTube family. So this time I chose myself a very iconic and very beautiful bag, and which was there in my wish list. So now I'm a lady, and what could be a better gift to a lady than a Lady Dior bag? So good time to give myself this bag. This is iconic. This is my favorite, and what not. You all know how iconic is the Lady Dior bag from Dior. So I'm very excited and happy to share this joy with you all. My beautiful YouTube family, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's go and do the unboxing. So this Lady Dior bag come in this big packet. I've already removed the packet so that it will be easy for me to unbox. I have not unboxed it yet at my home, so I packed it at the store, and yeah, the joy will be as equal. So this is the invoice. They will give you the invoice in this envelope like this, and this bag is in this box. So how beautifully they have packed. So let's go and do the unboxing. Are you guys excited? I'm very, very excited. So you guys, let me also tell you a brief story about the color. In Lady Dior bag, I always wanted this color. So I have been following with my essay from last almost 1 year, and this color was discontinued, and I always wanted this color. So I waited, and exactly during my birthday month this color has arrived. So this is destiny, you can say. So this color is now, it was discontinued. So Dior has launched this color, and on my birthday is 8th eighth month, which is August. So this bag was imported from France to India on 7th month, that is on July. So especially for my birthday, and in pan India, you guys, they had only one piece. So it has just arrived in their Delhi warehouse. So immediately they called this color for me. So this color is only one in the entire India as of now. The new, wait for the color reveal. So the bag, they have put it here. So wait for the color reveal. So I always wanted this color in my Lady Dior bag. By the way, this is my first Lady Dior out of many. Uh, so I always wanted this color in my Lady Dior bag. Tada! And in Pan India, I only have this new lot of this color. So tada! Here, I think by now you have already know. I cannot. So here is the bag, you guys. I always wanted the Lady Dior in the cherry red color. This color got discontinued, but luckily this color, they relaunched this color, and only one piece arrived in India, and I have that piece with me. So I'm unboxing this joy with you guys. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the Dior charm, you guys. The beauty of this bag, and this is the canage and calf skin leather. So this is how they have packed. Ta-da! And inside, I'll show the inside of the bag. So inside is sweat, outside is calf skin in ganache, and yeah. So inside they have filled it with the paper, and yeah, if you want to see the inside of the bag, so there's one inner zip compartment, and Dior is written here. So inside the bag looks like this, and you guys, just give me a minute for the color. Oh my god, and the size is small, and this is called my ABC. And this Lady Dior bag come in four different sizes. So along with this, they have given the strap. And as my bag is my ABC, so my ABC, you get three complimentary charms. So the charm is inside this, and they have given one cloth bag, dust bag for the bag. So let me remove all this and let me keep the bag here. Okay, and yeah, so it will be easier for you guys to see. So inside. So what about my ABC Dior is you can choose your charms. So yeah, luckily I got very beautiful charms, you guys. So I have chosen star, which signifies my name, and this rose. Oh my god, this rose is so beautiful and very latest, and T for my name. So let's go and put the charm in my bag. So I have to remove all of it. So the Lady Dior, you guys, comes in four different sizes: large, medium, small, mini. And nowadays there's micro mini size also. Even I want that micro mini size for myself, you guys. And yeah, so this is how you open it. And oh my god, look at this charms, it's so beautiful. If you'll go to buy extra, see, they will give you three complimentary charm with my ABC. And if you want anything extra, it will cost you somewhere around 5,000 7,000 rupees. So I'll just remove these later. First let me put the strap. So let's talk about the price, you guys. So this is in a very expensive side. I mean, your prices are going crazy. So, if you want to check the price, you can check in your local region, wherever you are. You can see. You can go to your website. If you live in US, you can see in your US website. If you live in Europe, you can see in your country website. Prices are mentioned here. Although in Europe, the prices are much cheaper, not much, little cheaper than other rest of the world. So in India, it cost whooping 5,70,000. I remember when I started looking at the Lady Dior, I was very young that time. It must be around 4,50,000, and then it increased to five, then 550. Now it's 570, you guys. And yeah, so let's go and see the strap. Lady Dior is one of my favorite designs in bags. So I thought, let me treat myself a very wonderful bag this time for my birthday. And that bag should be iconic. And I waited for this color for almost a year. And finally, I took the color I always wanted in Lady Dior. So yeah, so this is the class. So you have to put it here. One class you can put here. So in class there is CD logo, Christian Dior logo written there, not logo, CD. And other strap you can put here. Okay, and voila, here you go. So this charms here. You can put these charms. So you have to open it, and I'm just putting one charm just for the reference to show you guys. I have to, it's a task to, you know, so in the middle I want to put this tea. So you guys are experiencing the joy with me, which is so good. The joy of unboxing a beautiful bag for yourself on your birthday. So what can be better than to share it with my YouTube family? I love you guys. And voila, there goes the initial of my name, Tara, which is T. So let me put the T here. Okay, and I have chosen all the similar gold color. These charms are available in silver color also, you guys, but silver was not going with the color of my bag. So I chosen this golden color. So yeah, first I thought let me put my name because three charms will be complimentary. I have to buy only one extra, which is A. So then I thought, okay, let's put some lucky charms, which also signifies my name. So here, you guys. So T is my name, the beautiful rose, and the star. So this is one of the most expensive charm. My essay told me. So there you go. I'm so happy with my purchase, you guys. So I'll be carrying this on my birthday tonight, on my birthday party. Uh, so the lady will be arriving with her Lady Dior. So I think I can quickly show you guys what all fits in also in the same video. So let me put this box away for a while. Okay. And let me see what all fits into this bag. So this is the opening and closure. So there's a flap where you can open your bag. So let me put, let me see if the sunglass fits in. These are my sunglasses for from Gucci. The color is not very similar but look alike. So sunglasses fits in perfectly well. Let me see if a bigger size phone fits. So a bigger size phone fits completely all right. And then what we girls need, we need a lip gloss, a lipstick. This will also fit a big bottle of perfume. This is Cred, my favorite perfume. This is Windflower from Cred. The perfume also fit. I think now you're good to go. And I still have space. I can still fit something else also if you want. Like your card holder will fit. Two card holders will fit. Yeah, so it fits completely fine, and voila, there you go. So it fits a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and wish me luck for my birthday, you guys. I love you all, and I would like to show you all from the close. So it has four feet also down. So yeah, so this I think this will take a lot of time. I'll remove it later. In the video, it will take a lot of time. I can see. So I have to end this video and rush to my birthday party with my beautiful bag. I also wanted the Lady Dior in this color. This color is called cherry red color, you guys, and in French it's called rouge cherries. So yeah, I'm so happy with my purchase, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank you so much for watching. And comment down below if you have any question. If I have missed anything to show about this bag, you can always ask me in comment. This was unboxing and the joy of unboxing. So thank you so much. Have a good one, everyone.